Do you know how we found ourselves here discussing about dolphins? Okay, here is how. My friend Diana saw an diplomatic international event held at Nairobi village market location, and then she shared to me, and I did share to my friend Valerie again. So we planned that we'd meet there, and that is the thing that happened. I traveled from Narok the same day, and we did attend the same day that event. This is the Kenya beneath the waves.
Thank you very much. First of all, I'd like to welcome you. Thank you all for coming to the opening of this exhibition. It has been, I can say, probably 10 years in the making. This is a selection of images that started around the East African Snake Society because I got fascinated by snakes. And so much to the horror of my mum and her friends, I started catching snakes and then trying to teach dolphins how to catch them without killing them.
The people who showed up, they were really amazing and they were ready to watch that film that Jahawi did take and showcased. So there was a TV in front of us showcasing an indigenous person from Lamu. That is a fisherman who have been there for years doing fishing, and now he's advocating on how we can protect the ocean and how he's seeing different changes that has happened over the years as he has been fishing, seeing the corals getting degraded, the habitat changing to worse and worse, and also advocating for the importance of protecting the ocean because it's an advantage to both as humans and the ocean itself. Each and every marine life or non-living organism that is in the ocean, except the plastics, does play a role in the ocean. So we need to come together and keep that in mind, advocate for it, and do what is necessary to protect this amazing marine life. You can see these photos were taken by Jahawi and his wife LK. Let's learn together with my friend Diana. She is not a marine biologist, but I am. So these are dolphin. It's a photo of a dolphin. And the amazing thing about dolphins, they are very highly intelligent animals. They are social marine mammals and they are under the cetacean family. We have more than 40 species in the ocean, including killer whales. So the fun fact about dolphins, they don't chew their food, they swallow. And also half of their brain, they do make it sleep and half of their brain is left awake so that they can be able to watch out for the predators and also be aware of their surrounding and also to remember to go and breathe. Did you know also that dolphins do work as a team? Mostly, like if it's a pod, they work as a team cooperatively so that they can corral fish and also protect themselves. Did you know about sea turtles? Sea turtles are reptiles. Their characteristics are they do breathe air, they do lay eggs, and they are poikilothermic. Poikilothermic means that their temperature varies according to the environment where they are. They can be able to adjust. So let's talk about the hatchlings, that is at sea turtle on the photo. So the process starts at when the mama turtles come to the beach from the ocean or from the sea to lay their eggs. And then when it makes a nest and lays the eggs, the mama turtle leaves and leaves the eggs there. The eggs will stay for like 50 to 70 days so that they can hatch and then make a hatchling. psyching up Diana because we kept her waiting for us for like nearly 2 hours. And she was so impatient, she was feeling cold. Yeah, all of us together here, united. After all the dancing, we had to go to Maktaba Kuu ya Kenya for the African Book Fair event. Called a cab and it came very fast. Actually, it was 1 minute away and we parked inside. And that is the road from where we were staying in Kikuyu, Gikambura. My first time anyway being there, and it was really a nice experience, like my friends hosting me. Yo, I'm so grateful, girls. If you listen to this video, thank you very much for taking care of myself and also showing me around. I don't really take for granted because we are adults now and we understand how much you stretch for that. Thank you. Yeah, the event was at around, actually it did start from morning, but we were heading there at around 3 p.m. Yeah, because at 7 I was supposed to be traveling. On our way there.
Kamuoni, we are the Kenya National Library Service, Maktaba Kuu ya Kenya. Yeah. We come to attend the African Book Fair. I've also brought her aone vijana wazuri wa Nairobi jamani.
Hiyo haikuwa kwa content, hiyo script haikuwa. Ilikuwa tu.
She needs to buy some books na pia aone mali safi za Nairobi na watu wa Kilifi bana.
Wa Kilifi. Hamna bahati. Let me check around till we are here. You see, the event is already set up, so let's see what is gonna be offered. It was a free event. It was a free event. Getting inside the Maktaba Kuu. Maktaba Kuu, so many books. Yeah. That is Maggie, Mati, Linda there. We are excited. It's another, I know you've come so many times for Maggie. I don't know for Linda. First time also. So we are monos. Have been told like monos. Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. So
yeah, let's check out and see.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys on this side. Hi. Guys, you have to wait.
Sana, tutaendea sweta.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. Hi guys. Nice. I
Tutakuja nayo.
students on this side. Hi guys.
Hi. Ndiye Matia anakimbia mbio.
Yeah. So the group ends here. All of you guys in one group. Try to see the people and contribute a bit or two. And then my back bench has enough.
Hata ndio naona hata mimi.
So make sure you
ndio hiyo inasemanga Viola hivi.
Nilimjunganga nikiwatch nani.
You guys have the next 3 minutes to
Anakuanga courageous na his husband.
We're gonna start the show. Yeah. Good luck everyone.
Trevor Noah ameandika book pia.
Where we try to occupy social places and curate very social productive events. So people in bars, people in hotels and restaurants, we go there and we give lectures for some reason. Yeah. I mean, you guys are here.
Look at Banana
You
Boy
guys are drinking,
and
so it
Mama
seems like it's working.
Yeah,
So that's what we do.
Banana
We
Boy
host
being
But si
vaccinating
bana
and
boy wetu.
2 events a month, so bi-monthly, so every 2 weeks we host.
Hey, the window shopping was really nice, getting to know different books and how they are classified and how they are called. It was another time to go and listen in to the ongoing conversation.
Accessible languages, and then the movements, Kwani, and just how it revolutionized storytelling and literary identities.
Okay, how many of you think you can? Oh, no. How many of you guys think it's number 2? How many of you guys think it's number 5? Number 1? Number 7? Okay, number 2? Number 5? Number 1? Number 5? Sawa. So you got killing me. You get it. Button of the noises. Number 4? Number 1? 4? 1? 4?
I have like 40 minutes to be out of here. I'm in the book fair, National Library. Niko Nairobi, maktaba kuu ya Kenya. This is what I'm doing here. African Book Fair, Library, Kenya. It's really amazing. My first time to be in an African book fair, and it's really nice. The discussion in the room was really nice. My first time to be in African book fair. This is the person who brought me here.
Yes, I'm the queen of vibes.
The queen of vibes.
Mama wa Kiondoko. I am all round. Niko kila mahali, kwa vitabu, kwa sherehe, kwa nini kwingine. Kila mahali. Look for me.
Yeah. You've heard it, right? So we've been looking around, buying the books that we want. And also listening to the discussion that was in the room.
Drunken lectures.
Yes, it was amazing.
We have different lecturers who covers different topics after a fortnight, after every 2 weeks. After a fortnight, it's held at the Beer District in Westlands. So today we had to hold it at Upper Hill at the library. I think the next one will be after next week.
Yeah,
after next week.
you come.
Yeah, that's all. We had fun.
Yeah.
Tuko Nairobi. We are gonna vijana wazuri wa handsome. Wanasafi wameoga.
Summarizing the 2 main events that I did attend in Nairobi in this short video, 14-minute video, is not doing justice. Because tell me why. I did enjoy go to the photography international diplomatic event and also the African Book Fair event for the first time ever in Nairobi. It was really a nice experience, and also looking forward to do more and more of these activities. You can see different topics of different books that you want to read or buy, and you can get them in the National Library at Nairobi. Cheers, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.